This is Willow. She's our only Merle that's not chocolate in the litter. She's pretty confident, which is a good thing, and she loves to train. She really loves obedience training. She's just had 2 training sessions and she's been a really fast learner. She's just really happy about the process, very motivated. This whole litter, they love food also, which helps with training because of the motivation. She's probably the most snuggly, at least with new people. She's one of the more outgoing puppies in the litter. She's just melted into me right here, and I just picked her up. She's a really nice girl. Hi. Little black eyelashes. And she would do well in a family with or without kids. She's ready to go back to sleep now. She would fall asleep right here if I just stay put. Wanted to.
Yes. Good girl. Come here. Sit. Good girl. Sit. Yes. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, let's try again. Come here. Willow, come. Sit. Yes. Good sit. Good girl.